Gmail is feeding your email to AI every second. You are not aware of it. This is being done in the background. Check the settings to fix this immediately. Click Settings, see all settings. Scroll down from the General tab. You can see here there is a Smart Features which is being turned on by default in your Gmail account. So you need to turn it off, else all the mails what you are sending, exchange or getting in your inbox is being fed to AI Google Gemini. So you need to turn this smart features in mail. Even the chats, Google Meets are being fed to the AI, and it's training the AI what sort of data is being exchanged through Gmail. Once it's turned on, the page will reload. The second settings which I'm going to show you, which you need to disable that as well. Go to see all settings, click the General tab, scroll it down slowly. You can see here one more features is being turned on. That's a Smart Features Google Workspace. Click the Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings. Click it. Here you can see it is being turned on by default. You need to turn it off, this features, else it will train the AI what sort of data is being exchanged in the mail, chat and Google Meet. You need to turn down this features is being turned on. You need to turn it off as well. Smart features in other Google products. So once it gets turned on, click Save and your page will reload. This is the option. You need to disable it. These two settings is very much important to you. If you don't want to data which is being exchanged in your mail, chat or Google Meet to train the AI, it's up to you. But this is your own data. You need to save it. If you feel this video has given you a good insight, give a thumbs up and do feel to comment in the comment box. No, Gmail is still a secure and reliable platform, but like most modern service, it uses data to enhance features. The key is awareness and control, and now you have both. So take a minute today, check the settings and make sure your personal data stay private. Thank you.